Now today we are going to look at cell addresses and selecting these cells and how to navigate through them. Now in the previous video we said a cell address is a label of the cell that you've clicked. Now every cell that you click, I'm just going to click any cell, it is labeled here. It has a cell address, and if we want to refer to it, this is where you look. So this one is C number 6, C6, meaning the column is C, this column here, and the row is number 6. So whichever cell you click, you can see its address here. Then you can also navigate through these cells using the keyboard just by pressing the direction arrows. So if you're not using the mouse, you can quickly go to a cell by just pressing the direction keys. I'm going to put some more information here. This is, by the way, how we type into this cell. So this can represent maybe a table of peoples and their marks or anything that you may want. So I've typed some information here, and if you want to change anything, for example, if I want to remove the information in this box, I'm just going to press the backspace. You click the square, the cell that you want, then you press the backspace button, and you can type in anything else that you want. We have seen the address of just one cell like this, but how about if there are many? We also have addresses of a group of cells. Now, for example, let me click from John to Peter. This is how I do it. You click in John, then you drag down up to Peter. We'll call this a cell range here. And how do I write the address of this cell range? So let me just type anywhere here. So if I want to refer to this cell range here, it starts from B1 to B5. So I'll write it this way. I'll write B1, then colon, then B5. That is how we write an address of a cell range. The other thing that we can look at is selecting a column. Now, if you want to select just one cell, you click just in it. If you want a group of them, you click in where the first cell, then you drag up to the last cell. But how about if you want a whole row? Now, if your table ends somewhere around here, clicking from the first cell to the last one would be a solution. But how about if you had maybe 1,000 entries? Maybe your table had 1,000 rows. Clicking from the first one all the way down would be very tiresome. So what you can do is just come to the column label here. This is B. So when the mouse changes into a down arrow, you click it. Then it will highlight the entire column, irrespective of where it stops. And then after that, you can do whatever you want. Maybe you wanted to make the contents bold, or you wanted to underline the contents, or let me just move that, or you wanted to increase the size of the contents. And so you apply anything you want, you can after clicking it. Then how about if you wanted multiple columns? For example, you wanted column B, C, and D. So you can come here where you click to highlight the entire column. You click once and then drag up to where you want to stop. For example, if you wanted to select columns from B to F, that is what I do. You just click from the beginning column and then you drag up to the column where you want to stop. Now, how about if these columns were not consecutive? Maybe these are consecutive, B, C, D, E. How about if they were not? Maybe I want B, I want D, and I want G. How do I do that? So first you press the first one, then you click the control button. You click and hold the control button. Keep holding it, then you press the other columns that you want. Just keep on pressing the column titles up to the last one that you want. Then after that, again, you can apply whatever you want to do to the contents in those columns all at the same time. For example, I can change the color of the contents. I can say all contents in those columns, the selected columns are going to be red, or anything else that you want. Then the other thing that you can do, you can also do that to rows. For example, if I wanted to select just a cell range in a column, in a row, you just click from the first one to the last one. If you wanted to click just cells, multiple cells which are not consecutive, you click the cell, then you click another one, maybe another one is here. I'm clicking and holding the control button. So you click any cell that you want. Then after that, you can apply whatever you want to the selected cells. But if you want the entire row, you come here to the row label. This row is label number 2. So you click and you just click on the label, and then the entire row will highlight. I can click another one like that. And if you wanted to click multiple rows, you click and drag down. Again, if the rows that you want to click to highlight are not consecutive, you just click on the first one, press the control button like that, and click on any other row that you want. Then another thing we can look at is selecting multiple cell ranges. For example, if I wanted to select this one and this one, you just click and then drag up to where it stops. Then maybe I also click this one, press the and hold the control button and click this one. Then again you can apply whatever you wanted to do. Maybe I can put all the contents in the center like that, all at the same time. So that is briefly how we navigate through these cells. We have looked at cell labels, cell ranges, and how to select multiple single or multiple cells. Thank you.